So lawnmower's out here.
Oh, right on. Sweet.
What's your name again?
They call me Toots.
Toots, huh? That's a pretty name. Where'd you get that?
Oh, I fart a lot.
That's cool, man. Well, anyway.
Yeah.
It's a lawnmower.
Oh, shit!
So it's a 2000.
Okay.
Only thing is, there's a wheel missing.
I see that. Oh, I got a 98 wheel at home.
Oh, perfect.
Picks it right up.
So I'm asking 20.
$20. Shoot, I'll give you 22. I don't want to screw you.
Got yourselves a deal, Totes.
It's actually Toots.
Oh, how could I forget a beautiful name like that?
Stop.